DJI Mavic Mini, inside and outside flying. Got that coming up next. You may remember that one of the first times that I took the DJI Mavic Mini up for a spin was inside my house, and that actually went quite well. Now, today I decided to go ahead and try something a little bit different. Now, I did have the help of Valerie today as she videotaped the Mavic Mini as it was going through the house. What I did was start outside. I'm going to go ahead and roll the clip so you can go ahead and take a look at it. Very dusty here. Very, very dusty. Let's go ahead and go this way. Now you can see that today the challenge was when I got out through the sliding glass door in the back, the crosswind was absolutely incredible, and the Mavic Mini, it did very well. It held its own, but I quickly turned it around and got it back inside of the house. Question of the day: have you taken your DJI Mavic Mini and flown it inside the house? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, hotel, or parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.